Today, we're diving into something truly next level in the world of foldable smartphones. Huawei has just launched the world's first trifold smartphone, the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate, and it's definitely a game changer. You might be wondering how this trifold beast stacks up against Samsung's latest, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Well, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the details and see how the Mate XT compares to the Fold 6. Let's start with the most obvious difference, the number of folds. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate doesn't just fold in half like most other foldable smartphones, it folds in three. Despite having three panels, Huawei has somehow managed to keep the Mate XT's thickness very competitive. When folded, the Mate XT measures 12.8 millimeters thick. Compare that to Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 6, which measures 12.1 millimeters thick. Now, on paper, Samsung technically wins here, but let's put that into perspective. The difference between the two devices is only 0.7 millimeters. That's so small it's nearly impossible to notice by the naked eye. And remember, the Huawei folds in three. Just imagine the engineering it took to pack all that technology into such a slim form factor. If you've seen the comparison image going viral on Reddit, it really puts things into perspective. Having these two foldables side by side makes you realize that 0.7 millimeters isn't a big deal, especially considering the Mate XT's 10.2-inch screen compared to the Fold 6's 7.6-inch display. Huawei is bringing in more screen real estate with hardly any sacrifice in thickness. Now let's get to what I know a lot of you are going to talk about in the comments section, durability. Samsung fans will likely argue that Samsung has been the king of foldables ever since the first Galaxy Fold came out in 2019. And it's true, Samsung has spent a lot of time improving the little details. From fixing hinge issues to making sure the display is tough enough to handle years of folds, the Galaxy Fold series has definitely matured over the years. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is an evolution of Samsung's relentless focus on durability. Each year, they tweak and perfect things like the display's durability and the hinge mechanism, making sure it can withstand thousands of folds without breaking down. And for many users, that reliability is important. Samsung has gained a reputation for making foldables that last. But here's the counter-argument, innovation. While Samsung has been perfecting the same basic foldable design year after year, companies like Huawei and Honor are pushing the boundaries. For example, the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate's trifold design isn't just a gimmick. It offers more screen real estate and new possibilities for how foldable devices can be used. Another great example is the Honor Magic V3, which is known for being incredibly thin. These Chinese smartphone makers are experimenting with new form factors, and in some cases, they're taking bigger risks and delivering new ideas faster than Samsung. Sure, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks great, but let's be real, it hasn't changed much in appearance since the first Galaxy Fold launched. The discussion doesn't stop here. As you might expect, the comparison between the Huawei Mate XT and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 sparked a heated debate on Reddit. On one side, you have the Samsung loyalists who point out that Samsung's focus on durability is why its foldables are so reliable. On the other side, people are saying Samsung has been playing it too safe. They argue that Huawei and Honor are driving real innovation in the foldable space with more exciting designs and new approaches, like the trifold mechanism in the Mate XT. Honestly, both sides have valid points. Samsung's devices are well-tested and incredibly durable, but there's something to be said for innovation. It's clear that companies like Huawei are not just following in Samsung's footsteps, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with foldable technology. So what do you think? Does durability win, or are you more excited by innovation? Is Samsung right to play it safe and perfect their designs, or should they be pushing the envelope like Huawei? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.